Hello everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Wendy, MPM 1907100376. I am going to talk about artificial intelligence fighter pilot system. The name is ALPA. ALPA is artificial intelligence deployed on a fighter pilot using a branch of artificial intelligence fuzzy logic systems. The Alpha was developed by the cybernetics company. Alpha has been facing off against retired United States Air Force Colonel Kenny Lee, an aerial combat instructor and air battle manager. Colonel Lee, who literally went to Top Gun or the Air Force version, the Fighter Weapons School, spent his entire career in the armed force, focusing on flying and commanding American fighter jets. He is an ace, and he is getting his ass handed to him. According to the university's magazine, it is not even close. Lee faced off against Alpha multiple times last October and was unable to score a single kill against Alpha, which shut him out of the air during a very simulated mission. The university reports that Alpha has passed other experts as well, even when given deliberate handicaps. The researcher sent a highly trained fighter pilot against a computer, crippled the computer's virtual plane, handicapping its turning speed, missile, and sensor, and the computer still took down the humans. Alpha is a very useful tool for the Air Force to train their fighter pilots. However, Alpha can also be a threat to humanity. Intelligence is a very powerful, a tiny increment in problem-solving ability and group coordination is why we left the other apps in the dust. Now, their continued existence depends on human decision, not why not what they do. Being smart is a real advantage for people and organizations. So there is much effort in figuring out ways of improving our individual and collective intelligence, from cognition and hatching drugs to artificial intelligence software. The problem is that intelligent entities are good at achieving their goals, but if the goals are badly set, they can use their power to cleverly achieve disastrous ends. There is no reason to think that intelligence itself will make something behave nice and morally. In fact, it is possible to prove that certain type of super-intelligent system would not obey moral rules even if they were true. So, Alpha can be a threat to humanity. Alpha can be a deadly weapon to humans with his intelligence. It all depends on whether the human beings want to direct the alpha to benefit the human or make the alpha into a threat to humanity. Then What if the alpha is used in Indonesia? In Indonesia, alpha will be very useful in training and developing the mindset of our fighter pilots because they will face an intelligence that can learn from what he is already achieved. So fighter pilots in Indonesia should hone their tactics and their ability to use jet. The idea is not to replace human fighter pilots. According to Nicholas Ernst, a University of Cincinnati alum and the founder of Cybernetics, the company that developed Alpha, this AI may ultimately act as a kind of digital assistant that provides real-time advice to pilots, or it might fly unmanned aircraft that act as wingmen from planes piloted by humans. Alpha does not replace everything a human does, Ernest explains, but it can help juggle the enormous amount of data flowing from all various sensors on modern fighter planes. It is not for up-close dogfighting or using your eyes to look out the cockpit, he said. It is a lot of looking at what your sensors are telling you and interpreting that to tell you if you have a tactical advantage at this particular time and what your response should be. That is where computers have a massive advantage, just as companies like Google and Facebook scoop up massive amounts of data to determine our interests and decide what ads to show us next. Alpha can throw up the fire hose of data streaming in from a plane's sensors and make quick decisions about how to respond. That said, Alpha should not be confused with the AI system that tech giants like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft use. The companies rely on an approach called neural networking, which draws in inspiration from the workings of the human brain. But Alpha is based on a very different idea called fuzzy logic, which is more concerned with mathematical modeling. As Ernest put it, fuzzy logic is concerned with emulating what people think rather than on emulating the brain. Disadvantage if if alpha is implemented in Indonesia is if alpha's excessive use AI alpha is more important than fighter pilots, then the alpha could be replacing the fighter pilot in Indonesia. Should the Indonesian government deploy alpha? Yes, since there has been a saying in advance of alpha's advantage. Alpha can improve fighter pilot skill in Indonesia. Alpha can be used as an assistant to a fighter pilot for more maximum use of jet. So the conclusion that it can be drawn is that AI is how human decisions are made. Humans who take an important role in directing this AI will be used. On my topic, Alpha can help people be better or can be a threat to humanity. That brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.